Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video we're gonna talk about all of the questions that I've gotten to my Amazon wishlist video. And if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna put it right here so you can watch it as well. And we're going to cover questions like, will my address show up? How do I do to hide my address? How can I know if somebody has ordered something for me? If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing because I'm gonna be making more tutorials based on your questions or in the applications that you like the most or that you use the most. Let's get started. I promised to do a follow-up on this video because it had like so many views right now, and people have contacted me in the comments on the video and also in my Instagram. I'm going to reply to all of your questions here in this video. Let's go to my Amazon account. I'm going to show you the wish list that I was talking about that day. I'm gonna share my screen now. So here is my Amazon account. I'm gonna show you the wish list that I was talking about on that video. Here it is. So this is the test wish list that I just created for this video. Okay, so once that I want to add something to the cart, let's say I'm going to add this one to the cart and I want to proceed to checkout. Let's say this wish list is from you. So I want to give this present to you. It will go directly to my select a shipping address, okay? And if I do this, then it will ask me the address. So it will go to my current addresses that I already have there, or you will need to enter a new address. If this is a person who you haven't sent anything before, then you're going to have to ask her or him the address in order for you to send it. So if somebody wants to give this present to you, they won't have access to your address. They will only have access to your wish list. If you want to share this wish list with people that you don't know and you want to share a different address or a secure or safe address, I will suggest you to get a PO box. But the way that you can do this is setting your wish list like this. You will go to your wish list and go and click on these three dots where it says more. Then you will click on manage list. And then you can select the address where you want these presents to be delivered. I had it set as none. You won't be sharing your address unless you change this field from none to a different address. It can be an address that you already have, or you can set a new address like a PO box. If you click on one existing address, then it will show another field and it will tell you third-party shipping agreement. What does this mean? This means that you will be sharing your address with third-party merchants. So in this case, if we open this one, here is the agreement. And I'm gonna try to make it bigger. It says, at Amazon, third-party sellers offer many items. If you instruct Amazon to share your list shipping address with these third-party sellers, then customers can purchase items for you off your wish list that are sold by these sellers and have them automatically sent to your confidential wish list shipping address. Once that you click on this check mark on third-party shipping agreement, then Amazon will need to share your address with a third-party sellers, and the merchants will need to share this with their buyers. It makes sense that they share the address so they can buy things for you, right? Here it says that you are acknowledging that Amazon will provide the seller of your item with your wish list on your shipping address. And here it says an example. It says when sending the buyer a purchase confirmation, then it will show the address. And if you decide to not check this checkbox, then people won't be able to send anything to you if they don't have the address, okay? You need to click on this third-party shipping agreement in order for you to share the address. And the other question was about how you can be aware that somebody's gifting you this present so you don't buy it again. So you can go to this manage list. Leaving this unchecked means that you won't see the items that were already bought by your relatives. However, if you want to get notified of your presents, then you will uncheck this one. And this option keeps gifts others bought for you secret to several weeks. During this time, the item will show as unpurchased on the list. If you try to buy an item that someone already got you, we'll let you know so you don't buy it. So you need to use these two settings. This option stops items from being automatically removed after you buy them. Items you bought before will reappear on this list with the date you last bought them. Okay, so let's say you already bought one thing from the wish list you had. If you check this one, then those items will be still on your list. If you uncheck it, then it will remove the items from your list, the ones that you already bought. So I hope that this video was helpful for you and that I could solve some of your questions for the past video on how your address is saved or secure or not. Remember that if you want to share your address, your private address on a public wish list, then you need to click on the checkbox for the third-party agreement. And if you don't, you will need to share your address with the people who you share this wish list to. And the options that I just gave you is in case that you don't want to spoil your presents. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any questions, just let me know in the comments below or just private message me on my Instagram account. You know, I always put my Instagram account on the first minutes of my videos, so you can have it there, or if not, you can find it on the description box down below. If you would like me to do any other tutorial about any Amazon wishlist or any Amazon feature that you want to know, just let me know in the comments below and I will make sure to make it happen. Okay, this is it for today and I hope you found this video useful. And if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.